Hey y'all, as promised, here's a video I said I was going to do with the starter kit I got a few weeks ago. This might be by far my favorite set of nails just because of how they turned out. Here we got the nail tips, which I'm going to be applying with the nail glue the kit came with. But before I do that, I'm going to use my electric file to file down my nails and the cuticle area. So I actually have two nail tip cutters, and I got the closest one to me, which is the one I bought beforehand, the red one, but I got the black one in the kit that I will be using furthermore into the video. Always make sure you brush all the extra dust from all the filing you do to your nails. Using the Ultra Bond primer on my natural nails only. I'm getting my damp dish and my brush, my curling powder, my curling liquid. Applying the acrylic to my nails. brush after every use. The brush that came with the kit, honestly, in my opinion, isn't the best, but as you can see, it does the job alright. I would most likely buy one from Amazon, or maybe I go back to the nail store for a better one. To file. Honestly, filing down acrylic might be my favorite part of doing nails. Also, using my electrophile, which I'm going to link down below from Amazon, is an awesome tool to use while doing acrylic nails. done filing, I went to wash my hands. Washing hands before using nail polish is very important for the reason being that you don't want any dust or residue on top of your nail polish. So I got these cute pink nail polishes from my local Five Below store. That store is amazing. Only $5 for these 7-pack. Amazing colors and they are so cute. As you might have seen my thumbnail, you know that I will be using all these first 5 nail polishes. A nice gradient pink nail set which I love. Couple of nail polish layers after. These are the nails and I'm so in love with them. Just what I pictured. Lastly, I'm going to be using the top coat and cuticle oil the kit came with. For some reason, I did see the top coat brush kind of messed up, but it ended up doing the job, so it worked out perfectly fine. Keep in mind, I did clean them up all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay safe and stay tuned for my next video. Let me know how you guys like this set. Bye!